Hi, salam sejahtera. Vanakkam, Tasha. My name is Tarani, daughter of Devu Muneeswaran. I am currently a third year batch of accounting student at University Technology Malaysia with CGPA 3.92. I have constantly been on Dean list for my previous 5 semesters, which reflect my commitment toward academic excellence. Beyond academics, I have gained my practical experience as account assistant where I handle simple payroll, sales record and basic bookkeeping. I am also actively involved in university club by holding leadership roles such as Director for Kabaddi 3.0 and Director for Adjunct Professor in Inaugural Lecturer and Deputy Secretary of UTM Kabaddi Club. This experience has helped me to develop a strong organizational skills, teamwork, communication and of course leadership. Looking ahead, I want to be a professional accountant who are not only just focused on integrity, accuracy and accountability in financial reporting, but also wants to play a strategic role in strengthening governance and risk management practice within organizations. Bank Negara Malaysia is a central bank of Malaysia and plays a critical role in maintaining the country's monetary and financial stability. It formulates the monetary policy, issues the currency, regulates the financial system to ensure a resilient and sound banking environment. What inspired me in Bank Negara Malaysia is their forward-thinking approach, especially through the financial sector blueprint 2023 until 2026. It focuses on financial resilience, digital transformation, and a sustainable, inclusive economy. These priorities strongly align with my academic interest in sustainable finance and a good governance. I applied for the Bank Negara Malaysia internship program because it offers a rare opportunity for me to learn directly from the institution that anchor Malaysian financial system. With a strong background in accounting, I'm eager to go beyond the academic learning and want to have a real-world exposure, especially in financial governance, policy making, and regulatory practices. This internship would allow me to contribute into more meaningful projects, sharpen my analytical and ethical decision making, and learn how the financial stability is maintained at the national level. I'm especially interested in the department like financial surveillance or prudential regulation where I can explore risk management and regulatory compliance in action. For me, this internship is a stepping stone toward my goal of becoming a financial professional who supports transparency, reliance, and responsible of financial practice. I'm genuinely looking forward to opportunity to contribute and grow within an esteemed institution like Bank Negara Malaysia. Thank you very much.